Hi, this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com and our two YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Frag Camp. Yay! I made it up here, a long 12-hour drive. Got here 11 o'clock last night and chilled with a hiker until 2 in the morning. Took a cold shower at 3 in the morning and just cowboy camped. I was so tired in front of the restroom. Hung out and met a bunch of cool hikers. And look at how beautiful it is. And oh, I just found a new trick. I don't even need a selfie stick. You just take the end of the hiking pole, just put it right here under, and look at, I can just get a nice steady cam. Wow, a couple extra grams I don't have to carry, and I still get a nice little panoramic of this. So this is Sierra City. I got a nice trail angel, gave me a little ride up to the trailhead, and I was gonna go north, and I decided, you know what, I don't want my boyfriend to spend more money, and then fly back. So I think, and I really love the Sierras. So I think for this trip, I think I'm going to start here, which is, I think, a mile 1195, and go southbound back to Kennedy Meadows, and that'll be my section this time, my training hike. And it's a little heavy with food. We went to McDonald's and I did chicken McNuggets, and we bought a bunch of doubles, and we shared this morning. We had double feast with other hikers, and I had I think 2 for myself. I think I have 1 left, and I have like 40 chicken McNuggets. I ate like 4 this morning, and I bought a few snacks. So, a lot of people said that the store here was a terrible resupply, and I thought it was very reasonably priced. I mean, yeah, the Cliff Bars were like $3 a Cliff Bar, but everything else 75 cents for a Pop-Tart, $1.29 for this Frito bean dip that's $1 at the 99-cent store at home. I just bought some to get mailed to me. So you know what, it was pretty reasonable. So I would say you could resupply here, and they had a good variety of things, everything from sardines and tuna to Cliff Bars and a whole shelf of Snickers, which was kind of funny. They know what hikers like. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to hit the trail. It stopped raining. It's not too hot. It's nice and overcast. I'm ready to move. And I said don't hike the trail on Friday the 13th. I started the terminus at Friday the 13th. Once again, what day is today? Friday the 13th of July, and I'm out here hiking the trail. Oh well, let's see what'll go wrong or not. Phoenix Genesis, see you on the